let's go.
Michael G, bring me up to speed.
We have a lot still to do. This is not an easy challenge.
How many of these do we need?
5. Use your fingers, man. You gotta burn them, it happens. Get your fingers in there, burn it. Who cares? You're either here or you're going home, so burn yourself.
Ah.
I don't want to go home, and I don't think he wants to go home either.
How's the takoyaki?
A little burnt.
Turn down the temperature.
I have.
How burnt are they?
They're pretty burnt.
They're not gonna go on the plate if they're burnt. We better have enough time to make takoyaki balls.
Bananas in the fryer. Gently, we only have 3. Dip and fry.
I am extremely impressed with how well Kagan is listening to me and how well we're working as a team right now.
And you can't forget about a jellyfish salad.
Marissa is cutting the peppers for the jellyfish salad, but they are not evenly cut.
Between the slicing and julienning that needs to go on, you need to have razor-sharp knife skills. It's a huge part of this challenge.
You got it. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Every time I'm tapping back in, I'm just trying to figure out where Marissa is at. I wish that she was being vocal about what she was doing. There's things that are prepped and things that are half ready, and I need to get things finished.
Prep the jellyfish.
Okay.
Move quickly, Eugene.
She's making me move fast.
Come on, Eugene. Quickly.
Quiet Becky is gone.
Get the other piece and slice it in half.
You can hear her just screaming at Eugene to pick it up, to push it, and it's fantastic.
You only need 2. You only need 2.
Oh my God.
Moment of truth about to happen here. Michael's gonna check his pork.
Come on, man.
Oh, his hands are shaking. Looks like Michael G has taken his own advice. He's burning his fingers now.
Got it, got it. Yeah, Mike.
Switch!
Eugene!
Michael and Kagan, would you please bring up your Asian street market platter?
I'm a little worried. This is not a perfect platter. I'm just hoping that these little mistakes don't send us home.
Andy, you put these two together as part of your strategy.
It was a bit of a social experiment to see how these two work together, and they were pretty impressive to watch down there.
Let's start with the banh mi. Looks like you've got all the elements here. Let's see how they all taste. Chicken is very flavorful, cooked very nicely. I think the liver pate is spot on. It is tasty. It is the right texture. Well done. Who takes ownership of that?
The team effort. There's no I in team here. There's an I in win, and that's what we're after.
How do you feel about the appearance of the deep-fried banana?
A little dark. I wish there was one more of them.
It looks very sad to me. Really sad. So, Kagan, you started cooking them?
Correct.
A switch happened, you took over,
Yeah.
and you took your eye off the banana.
Yep.
Burnt is what it is. Gives that bitter aftertaste towards the end. It almost says, I don't want to eat it.
We could be being sent home for that. That's a big, small detail.
Cut it a little bit more. Cut the ends off? No, no, no. Like, cut it more even this way.
Veronica is already bossing April Lee around.
Just put it in the puff pastry. Go, go, go.
April Lee, she cooks with a little bit more of her sort of heart and instinct. I don't think she's got the same kind of attention to detail that Veronica has.
Oh, this puff pastry is soft. Turn it upside down onto cling wrap.
I'm not gonna let Veronica push me around.
I can do this, Veronica. Okay.
It's nice, good temperature, Terry?
It's quite soft, man. The puff pastry is beginning to melt. It's really quite sticky.
Ours looks better than Terry's. Yeah, it does.
Is that fixable, Terry?
Yeah.
Okay, do it, man.
Not a great start.
$3.75 is that size. Okay, we have to cut up our root vegetables now.
Where's the ring molds at?
Get the little, like, one that's like about this big, like a loony.
It looks like all the pork Wellington is in the oven, so now everyone is starting the beat.
Oh, I love it. So good.
Switch!
Tag, tag, tag.
Go, go.
Go. Tag, tag, tag. Oh, good tag. Okay, what next? Okay, what do we need to do?
The switching is the worst thing ever.
Potatoes and beets?
Yeah, okay, dude. Just let me think for a sec, okay?
You don't really know, like, what's on the stove, what's in the oven.
This is insane. Do you know how many
many rounds that you're gonna need?
Yeah, I need 9. This is 9.
Clean off that cutting board. Put that all in the bowl. That's why I put it there for us. April Lee likes to be clean and neat. Clear off a spot.
Onto what?
I cook in complete chaos.
April Lee seems to be telling Veronica what to do now.
Veronica, just keep focused. Focused and organized.
What ring are we using?
I'll show you.
Yeah.
Something weird is happening in Terry and Sean's station. They're eerily calm, and they're working much slower than everybody else.
Sorry.
Messy Terry.
I don't feel I need to coach Sean because I know Sean is going to do his best.
What do they say about working with your friends? Never mix business and friendship?
I'm working on the beats.
Good job.
And you have 1 hour left.
I'm working on the beats.
I'm getting the beets out.
Yep.
Ooh, they're babies. Ooh, they're little.
It's okay. It's bite size, remember?
Bite size.
We're good. We're good.
Jeremy and I are not going home today. I think Terry's going home today. Sorry, Terry. Oh, he's actually pissed.
You hear what Mary said?
You know what?
I'm going home tonight. Let's go.
Please. Terry is angry, and you don't want to make Terry angry.
Oh, I don't like that I said that. Now I'm all nervous.
I'll tell you, I think she's awakened the sleeping giant.
Just focus. Just focus on what we're doing.
What Mary said is motivating me to do better. Top 6 is at stake. My dreams is at stake. There's no option but to win this.
Switch!
Here, take this.
Switch!
Go, go, go. Take that, take that.
Okay. This last home cook needs to finish all of the plating.
1 minute.
Yeah, next.
Beats?
Beats.
Come on, Veronica.
Stakes couldn't get much higher because this is ending and one of them going home.
Everything looking good, Sean?
Just cleaning up.
10, 9,
Let's go, Mary.
8,
And check those dots at the very end, too. Think about if you even have 10 seconds.
4,
Keep going, Sean.
3, 2, 1. Hands up!
We did it.
Wow. Come on, look. Terry.
Yeah? What?
I looked down at the hors d'oeuvres. I noticed that the cornets look a little bit off.
I see that Sean and Terry are pointing at something on their platter. I think there might be something wrong with one of the elements.
I'd love to know how you both feel, but I can kind of tell by the looks on your face.
The cornets were not filled with the halibut ceviche.
What are they filled with?
The sweet potato and apple topping for the pork.
Where is the ceviche?
Is on my station.
Terry, what happened?
I just feel the wrong feeling.
Did you notice that, Sean?
Unfortunately, I only noticed at the end of the cook.
Wasn't it your job to pick up on those little details?
I blame myself a lot.
It was a replication challenge. And I'm not even going to try this.
Okay, what do you want me to do now?
Give it a look.
Check your rice now.
Check your rice.
Take it off. Just take it off.
You know, all that instruction coming from the gallery might just be confusing her.
Do you want me to do more than 2 or just 2? Do 3 just in case.
Don't panic, guys. Don't panic.
You also need to sear your tofu.
She seems to have a total lack of focus. They're distracting her.
Justine? Justine? Hey, guys, stop screaming at me. Justine.
Switch!
Okay, switch.
Good job, buddy.
Okay, good job, Mai. Thank you for helping me. Japanese is not my strong suit.
You put in a tablespoon of cornstarch?
Yes, sir.
Lovely, dear. Lovely.
We need to sashimi the salmon.
Yeah, I was just thinking that.
Trevor is very fast, and that's very important in a time challenge.
Whereas Barry, he's a little bit more steady as she goes.
It's got to be like paper thin. One smooth motion.
I would prefer to, take my time making this meal. Sit back and have a glass of wine. I'm gonna leave this for you.
Okay, yeah. It's like working with my dad.
Where's my asparagus? Where'd I put it?
Pressure is on.
Soba noodle. Soba noodle. Where's my soba noodle?
It's already
Oh, it's already
plated.
there.
Is it frying?
No.
Oh, my God.
I know.
It's not skinned.
I know I have to take the skin off the salmon here. I literally just don't have the time.
Switch! It's all on you.
Get the beef.
Trevor is redoing the plating of the tempura. That's Trevor.
Is it crispy enough?
I have no choice, hon.
1 minute! You only have 1 minute left! Come on!
Come on, guys.
You have 1 minute. You can make it crispy.
Where's the spice for on top of the salmon?
Just a light sprinkling.
Light sprinkle, light
Just
sprinkle.
a light sprinkle.
Absolutely insane here.
Come on, we got this, Justine. We can take it home.
God, I'm freaking shaking.
10, 9, 8. Anything.
Clean it up. Clean it up.
Season, clean it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up! Wow.
We forgot the lotus root.
Oh,
The lotus root is not on the plate.
I'm about to cry.
Who cut the salmon?
I cut the salmon.
Do you know what's wrong with the salmon? It's the skin. The skin simply should not be on the salmon.
That's my fault. I take full responsibility for that.
Let me cut this in half and give it a try. But after I remove a little bit of that skin, not the best sushi rice I've had. I do find it a tad undercooked. I want that rice to form almost little pearls in my mouth. This is a little crunchy. Who cooked the rice?
It was really a group effort for both of us.
Disappointing.
Yes. I'm disappointed in myself.
Justine! Matt!
Chef Alvin.
These are very unevenly cut. Well, tell you what, beef tastes great, but this is Wagyu beef. I mean, the beef is speaking for itself.
Absolutely.
Now for you guys, searing, can't see it, can't find the crust. You were asked to replicate. Have you done that?
We tried really hard.
At this point, trying is not good enough.
I want you to get a bowl with the egg wash. Sorry, I don't know what we're using this for. It's going to help us seal our spring roll.
When Marita gets behind the station, she brings the whole team forward.
I already peeled off 2 for you.
And then when Julie gets there, it just lags back again.
This comes to a halt.
It does.
I don't see it. They're right on the bowl, Julie.
Do not forget about the spring rolls that
No,
are
I'm
here.
not going to, trust me.
I cannot make another spring roll.
Eric and Kayla, they're like 2 separate teams completely.
They want it so much, the emotion is getting the better of them.
They're perfect.
Okay, multitask. When the oil's hot, you need to put the pot stickers in.
I think this is working perfectly for Mike. He made a right decision. Very strategic.
Okay, we need to hurry up here, seriously.
Tamara and Pino are the only team right now that do not have any baskets in their steamer.
Are you sure?
We need to put them in the steamer. We are in crunch time now. One of us will go home if we don't have the components. There's 4 in there, Pino?
3. I'm doing this one
now. Okay, we need 1 more.
They're in deep trouble. If they have nothing in the steamer, they are toast.
Okay, put them on now.
I can't believe the stress levels going on in this kitchen. No one's gonna get this done.
We gotta get the hog out. Okay, so I'm not doing these? Finish it, just do it. Okay, drop it in the fry and I'll keep an eye on it while you do the rest. It opened.
If you don't put the right amount of egg wash so it seals before you fry it,
Are you supposed to use the egg to stick it? I didn't know that, Marita. Spring rolls are coming out right now. Good?
Yes.
Dump them out here and salt them.
done?
Yep. Just salt it. Okay, done. Done. Just leave them.
Switch!
Come on.
5 minutes left!
5 minutes left.
yeah, it's really hard to tell who's doing the best right now.
Eric, this is the biggest 5 minutes of your life.
I think the final couple of minutes is going to be very important. Remember, they still have to put it together in the platter.
Tamara, just put everything on this plate.
You got this, Marita. Good job. Eric, those are done.
2 minutes left!
I need to zoom my... Here.
I can't do anything.
Don't forget to put the caviar on top, remember? A little bit of Tabasco on top. For your grandfather.
1 minute, pass me on the platter!
This is all you, girl.
Good job, Marita. You got this.
30 seconds!
Ah!
Yes, Tamara.
I want beautiful presentation!
I can't watch this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
We never got those.
2, 1, stop!
Yeah.
Ow!
Marita and Julie, they're in trouble. You can see it on Marita's face.
What happened to the 5th? The shrimp dumpling.
It didn't make it on the platter today.
Why not?
Couldn't get them wrapped in time.
Wow. Who's to blame for that misstep?
I guess the 2 of us.
Really? Is that what you think, Julie?
I had them rolled out. She was the one trying to fill them. So I don't know what happened.
What happened here? God, look at that. You can see that it exploded in the fryer.
I've never made those before.
These look nice, on the other hand. Who's responsible for the filling?
I was, chef.
That's dim sum. Big flavors. It's tender inside. That's close to the real thing.
Thank you, chef.
This I still can't get over.
I'm really sorry.
Come on, Julie, get it together. I can't even look at her. I'm gonna start to cry too myself.
Starting pastry cream. So you're looking for milk, cup of sugar.
I always put sugar in here.
Yeah, good, good,
And
good.
I always put sugar in there. Cody, don't worry.
Lynn, please.
It just goes quicker like this.
Listen to me, woman. This is my jam. I know pastry cream.
You have to trust me on that one.
Lynn, please, if there's one time in your life that I really need you to listen to me, please pass the cream.
We'll be fine. I always strain my pastry cream before I put my eggs in, and Cody always does it after.
Please, please, we're cooking our eggs right now. We have to pass it again.
But for the sake of teamwork, I do it Cody's way.
Thank you.
The biggest surprise with Lynn is that she's actually listening to what I'm saying.
Thank you, Lynn. Switch! Go, go, go. Okay.
David is moving at record speeds. He's got every single sandwich to build and plate.
Oh,
damn it.
Medic, David just injured himself. Now, this is how tense this challenge is.
Just when you thought it was bad, it got really bad. I don't know how they're gonna pull this off.
It's okay, you still got this, David.
Woo!
She's taking a hard fall.
Oh, my knee.
Wow, she's clearly in pain.
Come on, Lynn, you got this. You got this, darling.
Okay, you're gonna have to talk to me because...
Okay, make one sandwich. Yeah, and then you're gonna lay it across, cut it in 3, and get them on the plate, yeah?
Cody steps up to the plate and encourages me that I'm doing well.
Lynn, you're doing a great job. You're doing a great job, okay?
He's giving me the fuel to make me go forward and to forget all about the pain.
Keep it going. You got this. You got this.
Butter both sides.
You can do this.
David, profiteroles.
I can't. I'm not gonna leave these sandwiches.
1 minute! You have 1 minute left!
Lay that salmon on there, darling. Roll it up. Cut the ends off and cut 3 beautiful sandwiches.
No, this thing ripped. It ripped. You can't.
No, they were lengthwise. Just get them on the plate. Just get them on the plate. Quick, 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 go.
It's embarrassing.
Let's go!
10, 9,
This thing's so brutal.
Lynn, we got this. Good, good, good. Go, go.
Take the jab, David.
3, 2, 1, hands up!
Oh, my God, I love you, woman.
Looks amazing.
Thank you, chef.
Coronation chicken sandwich, one of the classics. I'm hoping when I try this, I'm gonna taste all the layers. It's delicious. There's celery in here, there's curry, a little bit of mayonnaise, there's some red grape in here as well. The curry pops out right in the finish. Very impressive. Shows you what good teamwork can do, right?
Absolutely,
Yes,
chef.
Good job.
What I've learned about Cody is that I had misjudged him from the start. I think we saw the real Cody come out today.